So there's a ring gear cover here, so you can see the ring gear cover, and it's fixed by this bolt. So we need to remove that bolt to remove this cover. So that bolt, we remove this bolt. So we remove the bolts, and this is the cover. We remove the ring gear cover. There are two tabs just to cover the two opening on the case. So you can see the opening to the ring gear. Let me have some other light. Yeah, you can see that's the ring gear. There's the one opening there. There's the one opening here, and there's another opening here. Another opening, you can see the ring gear. And these two openings, they are just aligned with two bolts for the oil sump. The ring gear oil sump bolt. There are two, so there are two openings. So you can see the bolts over there.